Kabale University, the only public university in Kigezi sub-region, southwestern Uganda, was marred by protests as students donning their academic gowns voiced their grievances against a surcharge increase. Their demand for clarity regarding the sudden rise from 30,000 to 80,000 resulted in visible unrest on campus.
No longer we have been fighting, or we have been facing a challenge with Kabale University administration, whereby surcharge is on our neck, is on the portal every time, every day. And when we try to go to the responsible offices, they try to rebuke us as if we are nothing, as if we don't have what we can say.
They accidentally resolved that there is a surcharge. Now I wonder, to those students who just come and click, I am paying all my pending issues. If I pay accidentally that surcharge and late registration, yet the time has not been initiated, do they reverse that money? Where does it go?
As students of Kabale University are striking because of one reason. We are being charged invoices that we don't know where they come from. The funding is surcharge and then late registration. This money is not paid by other public universities. Yet as Kabale University, we pay that money.
Tukamushaba Amos, the Dean of Students, acknowledged the students' concerns, expressing understanding of their frustration. He assured students that the university was committed to resolving their issue. He also suggested a potential reduction in surcharges, especially for cases where previous fees had been exceptionally high.
Those things are understandable, they can be argued out, they can be reasoned out, and a good solution can come out. Things of the systems are also not in one's control. Some other times, the system is and when that happens, then many other things do happen. But when the issues are highlighted, and then are given to your representative, president, you come to me, then I go either with you or alone, and then give you back the information.
In an official announcement, Professor Joy Constance Kwesiga, the university vice-chancellor, responded to the protests. She explained that the University Senate recommended the removal of surcharges due to late payment of fees. Instead, a late registration fee of Uganda shillings 50,000 per semester was proposed. However, this recommendation is pending approval by the University Council in its upcoming meeting. According to Godfrey Sempungu, the head of the communications at the university, a meeting between university management and select student leaders took place to address the concerns raised during the protests. The university community now anticipates the decision of the University Council, hoping for a resolution that balances financial requirements with the students' demand for fairness and transparency in fee-related matters. The situation at the university remains tense, with students closely watching developments and waiting for a final resolution from the University Council.
Management held a meeting with some of the student leaders, and this was a follow-up meeting from an earlier one that was held last week, where some of the top student leaders and counselors met with members of the university management and raised some issues. And as had indeed been promised that they will get feedback after members of management had established some truths about them. Today they held a meeting and that has led to the issuing of the circular by the Vice-Chancellor, which demystifies some untruths that have probably been points for misinformation